Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, alishanmao here, and welcome to another trip. And again, we are going to Yoxian. It's Chinese National Day, 7 days holidays, so we thought it's a good opportunity to grab and go for camping. Now we plan to do 2 days, like 2 nights, and after that maybe move to Hangnan side and camp there. So the idea is to camp more during this holiday and drive around, enjoy our time, fly paraglider, paramotor, and have fun camping, inshallah. So stay with us and enjoy some view of this little driving for now. Remember, this is a 360-degree video, so if you're watching it on your phone, you can turn around your phone, you can turn around actually with your phone and watch this from any angle you want. You can see Mary is on my right side, kids are back side, and Kitty, you cannot see the kitty, he is under the seat. You can see me at the left side. And if you're watching this video on computer, use your mouse to move the views around and enjoy the view of our little car from each and every angle. So this is how you enjoy a 360-degree video. But if it is a 2D video, well, then you know I'm focusing the camera all around. So have fun. Water.
Take off?
Oh, keep it recording.
No, it's not recording.
It's still recording. You do your things. No, I didn't get COVID-19. I caught cold. And cold brings me cough and asthma. Still have 1 hour, 1.5 hours. A lot of traffic on the road today. Expressways are having traffic jams. I hope we don't meet any traffic jam and can reach there in time. So hopefully can catch up with some flying maybe today. Let's see how things go.
Now we are in Yoxian?
No, we are on the way to Yoxian. I wish this was a live video in 360 degree, that people could actually move it around and see in live every angle, right? Can we live from this camera? I believe we can live from Insta360. I will give it a try later. That will be really nice to watch. I mean, that will be real fun to watch and interact with us, you know, talk with us, have a comment. By the way, I'm thinking to go live, if we have good signals, we can go live from Yoxian camping base, paragliding base, and you can talk to us live. What I dislike about this road actually is that the speed limit is only 100. Come on, we have to follow 100. Alright, that's enough view. So once we reach there, we will give you more updates and more views from our camping base, a paragliding base, and hopefully you can watch more flights and more interesting stuff. So stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments if you want to watch more 360-degree interactive videos. Have fun, people. Stop recording.